So hi everyone. Look at this question. Just read the question carefully. A student wants to project the image of a candle flame on a screen 90 centimeter in front of a mirror by keeping the flame at a distance of 15 centimeter from the pole. Now, I'd suggest a type of mirror always like it is understandable like it is concave mirror because I already mentioned that in front of mirror. Okay. So it is only which mirror like this. Let's draw like this. You can draw in this way. This is our pole, focus, center of curvature. Suggest a type of mirror. That is, first answer is concave mirror. Concave mirror. Determine the linear magnification in this case. Already we know that of this is focus, focal length. I don't know like what is focal length first, but they have mentioned that object is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from the pole. So first of all, we will find the focal length. 1 upon f is equal to v will be minus 90. My 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. U is minus 15. So you can take minus common. LCM is 90. Multiply 15. 19 plus 15. How much? 105. Okay, so f will be, f is how much? Minus 90 multiply 15 divided by 105. So 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5. 3 7s are 21. So minus 90 by 7. Once you solve how much you are getting like almost 12.8 something like. So object is placed in between center and where? It is almost like 12.8 something like, but object is placed at here like here object. This is 15 means like I got little bit information regarding the object. Object is here. Now image is formed 90 always like it is in between center of curvature and focus. Then image is always like magnified. A dash, B dash. If object is placed between center of curvature and focus, image is formed beyond C. Like this. So suggest the linear magnification formula is M is equal to minus V by U. So V is how much? 90 centimeter. Minus 90. U minus 15. So minus minus cancel. M will be minus 6. M comes out to be how much? Minus 6. M comes out to be minus 6. Clear? So option B also we get minus 6. Find the distance between the object and its image. See, this is 15, this is 90. So here, how much distance? 90 minus 15. What is the distance? 5, 75 centimeters. Clear? So this is also. Now draw the ray diagram to show the image formation. Now it is very easy. Like you can draw. If the object is in between center of curvature and focus, how to draw the ray diagram? You know that. 100 times you have drawn. So last part you can solve easily. So I think this doubt is clear. So once again, thank you so much. Still, you have any doubt? Again, I am saying. So please feel free to ask me. Ask in the comment section. You have my number. Just contact me. Please don't feel shy. You are here to learn. Okay, that's all.